Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create an animated typewriter search bar in Wix. This feature lets your search bar display rotating keywords with a typing animation. It helps grab visitors' attention and increases engagement on your website. Let's get started. From the Wix dashboard, we go to the website. To do this, click the upper left corner. Here, we click Go to All Websites. Once we are on the websites page, just click the website we want to edit and then click Edit Site. Now, let's wait for the editor to load. Once we are on the editing page, look for the Add option. Scroll on the side panel until you see Embed and Embed Code. Here, we search for a sample code to add an animated search bar. This code creates the animated effect for the search bar. We found this code using ChatGPT. You can search for your own code as well. Once you have your code, just copy it. After copying the code, go back to your element, double-click on it, and then choose Grid. Delete the existing code and paste the new code. Click Apply. Now the code is injected. You can adjust it based on your size preferences and place it anywhere you like. Once we're done, just click Publish or Save. That's how we add an animated typewriter search bar in Wix. Small interactive elements like this help make your website feel more modern and engaging.